Every year, 7 million people die from diseases caused by polluted air. Children from an early age have lung diseases, allergic diseases. Indicators of air pollution exceeded the norm by 15 times. The main sources of air pollution are the motor transport, energy, and the non-private sector. Kazakhstan ranks 20th among 221 countries in terms of carbon dioxide emissions and the 10th in terms of emissions per capita.
Really terrible.
It's really bad.
I think it's really bad.
One of the most important problems. We should solve it as fast as possible.
It's a widely spread problem, so it requires an immediate solution.
Pollution is the most important ecological problems in Kazakhstan. Humanity should do something with that.
There's a big smoke in our city and this problem has to be solved.
I think that is really awful.
It's causes a lot of diseases. For example, speaking of my own experience, I have asthma.
And the carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that leads to climate change, which has already affected half of our planet and is developing at a tremendous speed.
We are the team Elym with the project FilterAirn. And we invented a solution to this global problem, which affected not only our hometown of Almaty, but also the whole world. This is a carbon dioxide air purification device we have created. And here you can see the mechanism of our device. The air enters the device through the first fan, and the installed sensors will record the carbon dioxide values. Carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide and forms a residue in the form of calcium carbonate in the water. As a result, the purified air comes out through another fan. We also get energy through solar panels. It will move in the direction of the sun. In addition, we have tested in our laboratory at the school to assess the effectiveness of the prototype of the device. First of all, we poured calcium hydroxide into the container, after which we burned the carbon dioxide release paper and took a transparent large box, put our device and the burned paper in it, imitating the release of CO2. In a certain amount of time, we clearly saw the successful operation of our device. The box was cleared of smoke and CO2, and as a result, we get calcium carbonate, water, and clean air. Based on the results, the rate of carbon dioxide captured by our device was calculated, which was 12 grams per hour, which is 6 times faster than a tree.
The cost of the prototype device was 39,000 tenge, and the total amount of the initial project was 50,000 tenge. In our project area, we found several similar organizations, but each of them pursues its own goals, for example, the production of different materials. It's ironic that despite claims of clean production, their factories still have a negative impact on the environment. These organizations prefer more expensive options such as potassium and sodium hydroxide instead of using calcium hydroxide in their processes for their needs, which means that our project is more profitable. And also, our device is flexible, it uses effective methods, waste reproduction, ecology-safe process, and the energy conservation. Our device uses the energy of the sun and the wind. Now, we're at the level of developing a real device with such organizations as Air Vision, Haley and the MIT University. And now we're working on such shortcomings of the project as the lack of continuity of the process and the lack of full information.
And in conclusion, we can say that our project has a great importance for all humanity, its health and longevity. We wholeheartedly believe that our project is a solution to this global problem. Clean air is a healthy future.